So you walk in and this is what you see. I have all my stuff right here. So to the left, you have the refrigerator, the kitchen. So nice. I did not think it was gonna look like this. The floors are nice. Only thing, this small little dining table, but hey, it's just gonna be 2 of us, so that's okay. I'm not a fan of the couches, but we'll do something. And if you come this way, when you walk in, there are the bedrooms. Mine's right here. We have some cute little shelves behind here. Here's my mirror, but yeah, really cute. And then our cute sink. Oh shoot. We have the toilet and the bathroom. So before I move too much, let me give you all an empty room tour. So this is my closet. I put this in there to save room, like in my actual room. Then it's pretty much what it looks like. So yeah, let's get to decorating. So I have these vines. I didn't know if I wanted to use those again because I'm kind of over it, but I did want to put some things up here. I kind of like how that looks, so I think I'm gonna try and like hang the vines down and see if it looks all right. If not, then scratch that. Okay, so I just finished moving in everything like I could today. I'm not really gonna go in depth, but this is pretty much all I have right now. I don't really have anything on the walls because I still wanted to find some paintings to go right here. I have nothing on this big empty wall. And I come back August 9th to move in for good, and then I'll finish putting everything up. Okay, I'm back. I have my family with me, so the only thing I have to do this time is like unpack my clothes, finish decorating my room. This is all the stuff that I have to put up. I got so much stuff. Lovely assistant, say hi, Mom. I'm taking that down, don't like it. I bought some canvases. I'm gonna paint my own wall art because I couldn't find anything that I liked.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away, and stay right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around.
All right, so now I'm about to paint my mirror gold so it will match the rest of my room with my sister. My mirror is still drying. I'm going to paint my canvases. I got some gold paint and I saw a print that I want to do, I think off Pinterest. So I'm gonna try and recreate it so it can go above my bed. And that's like the last things I need for my room. So I have completely finished my room. Let me just show you what everything looks like. I love this. As soon as you walk in the door, this is what you see. The lights, this is everything and more. So here's my desk / makeup vanity area. It is so freaking cute. I have this lamp, but this is bright, like it's real bright. So I'm gonna be keeping that off for the most of the time. So then we have my bed area. Love this. Love that I don't have the vines. That was just a bad decision. And then I have this set of 3 canvases that I painted myself last night. And I love them. I had so much fun making them and they're unique to me. So I think this is a cute little addition to the room. Then I also really love this part of the room. I have my makeup tray, my jewelry, my macrame hangings. And then on the windowsill, I have just cute little decorations. And then last but not least, I painted the frame gold. It matches everything perfectly. Then I have the rug. It's great, I love it. Okay, y'all, that's my room. I love it so much. And let me know, like I said, if y'all want me to do a more in-depth room tour. I'm probably gonna do one anyway. I don't know if I said this information in any other part of the video, but the place I'm staying at is like on-campus apartments for UNCG. If you enjoyed this video, if you like my room, please give this video a like. If you want to see more of my stuff in the future, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Right, so I think I've talked enough. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.